Belly, 2 months after introducing Gemini, a big language model that Google thinks would propel it to the top of the AI business. Uh, the corporation has already announced its successor. Google is releasing Gemini 1.5 today, making it available to developers and enterprise customers ahead of a complete customer rollout soon. Uh, the company has made it plain that it is fully committed to Gemini is a business tool, personal helper, and everything in between, and it is working hard to achieve that goal. There are many enhancements in Gemini 1.5, the general purpose model in Google's system. Gemini 1.5 Pro appears to be on par with the high-end Gemini Ultra, which the company only recently announced, and it outperformed Gemini 1.0 Pro in 87% of benchmark tests. It was created using an increasingly popular technique known as mixture of experts, or MOE, which means that when you send in a query, it just runs a portion of the total model rather than the entire thing at once. This method should make the model faster for you to use while also making Google's operation more efficient. But there's one new thing in Gemini 1.5 that has the NQ company is starting with CEO Sundar Pichai very excited. Gemini 1.5 features a massive context window which allow it to process significantly larger queries and view much more data at once. That window contains a massive 1 million tokens as opposite to 128,000 for OpenAI's GPT-4 and 32,000 for the current Gemini Pro. Tokens are the difficult measure to understand, so Pichai simplifies it. It's about 10 or 11 hours of video, tens of thousands of lines of code. The context pane allows you to query the AI bot about all of the content at once. Gemini 1.5 is currently exclusively available to commercial users and developers via Google's Vertex AI and AI Studio, and it will eventually replace Gemini 1.0 and the normal version of Gemini Pro, which is available to everyone on gemini.google.com. And in the company's apps will be 1.5 Pro with a 128,000 token context window. You will have to pay more to reach the million. Google is also investigating the model's safety and ethical bounds, particularly with the relation to the newly expanded context window. Google is currently in a competition to create the finest AI tool as businesses around the world try to determine their own AI strategy and whether to sign developer agreements with OpenAI, Google, or someone else. And just last week, OpenAI revealed memory for ChatGPT, and it appears to be preparing for a move into online search. So far, Gemini appears to be excellent, particularly for those already familiar with Google's ecosystem. But more work remains to be done on all fronts.